Okay, so I'm coming from the opposite side, and you can see there's our house, and I probably forgot to take footage that they put the siding on. You see right there, the sides. The front doesn't. Front's mostly brick. There's our yard, backyard. And I want to see how close this neighbor is to our home. So let's take a little look-see. I guess all these here are going to be homes going around the way. But it looks like this should be a pretty good, decent, decent gap or space. Let's see. Gap or space from. So it looks like there'll be a house here. Look at all these rock. Let's see. So I guess right here, where that stick is right there, I think that's the fence line. That's the fence line. Where's the stick? There. And then you look across the way, and then you get to our. So it looks like it's a pretty decent space. There won't be anybody smacking the side where that little black material is. Then the rest of that area all the way down is gonna be, yeah. So I really don't know what they have in mind with all this. I think that's just gonna be the detention pond right here, and then I don't know what they're gonna turn this into. Maybe it might be a little waterway for any excess water to run down. The water will go down here, out that way, and then it turns around behind those homes, and it goes all the way back to there, and out that way is where I sit and where I saw the deer, the family of deer. So yeah, so there's our home right there. I don't know how far back the fence line's gonna be, but time just go by quicker. See, everything is dying down. Crickets still out, but all these were yellow little blossoms. They're all now brown and sleeping. 4:20 in the evening, I guess. There's the sun. Here's my usual place I sit and chat, but since the house is behind me, since the people moved in there, I stopped sitting here. So I go to way in the backside where I saw that family of deer, and I go back there and I sit and for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, finish up my walk. And it's nice right now. I don't even know what the degrees are, but it's nice. I just have a thick sweater on. Just got this 100% cotton. Hi friends, it's 4 minutes to 11 in the morning on Friday, and temperature is 47 out, but it says feels like 41. It is absolutely cold out here. The wind is so icy, chilly. No exaggeration. So, but I have to get my walk in, so I'm going on my walk. Need to get some steps in, keep my joints lubed. We have some sign of life here. I do have my black wool jacket on from the thrift store yesterday. My arms and my chest, back feels nice and warm. I do have pajama bottoms on underneath my sweatpants, so I'm thinking these sweatpants aren't gonna cut it. And I have these gloves where you can touch the screen of your phone, but because they're so loosely knitted, the knitting is so loose that you can feel the air coming through. And I can feel the air coming through here, but it is what it is, because I just like to be outdoors. So I don't know how my son in Wisconsin does it. Here I am, 47 degrees, and it's freezing for me. You can see how windy it is out here. Really cold. No exaggeration, friends. This air is cold. What do you say we get a closer look at this area here? So right over there is where I saw that family of deer, and right back there is where I sit and I look that way or this way, and then you could see over there. So I usually go down and sit in that little corner there. But let's take a look to see what they're doing out here. Here they put the rocks for the water. And then here's all the brush. Okay, so it's probably 11, and I think, excuse me, in an hour, my husband has this, I guess they're gonna do a live, not quite a cooking show, but his company sent all the employees a box, and they're gonna have someone come online, so I guess everyone's gonna join online, like a group type of a thing, and they're each were mailed a box to make drinks, cocktails, and I think he got like a cinnamon stick, ginger beer, maybe rum, a lime. I don't remember what else they sent, but they're gonna make the cocktail together. I guess a bartender or someone's gonna come online and show. And then my husband's supposed to make, I don't know what drink he's supposed to make, but it's supposed to be some kind of a Christmas party thing, but you do it individually in your own home. So maybe I'll catch a couple of blurbs and record that and put it here in this video. And that's about it, friends. Hopefully tomorrow we can go to the farmer's market. I went to a farmer's market Tuesday, and it was really small. They didn't have what I was looking for. So hopefully, if we decide to go, hopefully it's not so cold, because you do have to go to those at least by 9 o'clock, 9, 10 o'clock. and see what we can find. It's so cloudy, and see, right now I'm facing the north, so the wind is coming against me. Now I'm headed west, so there's a helicopter. Ooh, look at them birds up there. Look at them. Oop. Where are they at? There's a bunch of birds roaming around. Then we got a helicopter there. And where are those birds? Oh, they're out there.
Dropper to get more consistency. So when you pull it out, you actually want to depress it and then drop it and release it. You should end up with about a third or a third of the way up there. Release that whole bit into your drink. We're going to do 2 times with the aromatic bitters. Together. It is. And spoons, a knife that you use. Sometimes it's kind of interesting to use a knife to stir when you can. Real cinnamon just to the top of it, and that will affect our nose aromas. So just drop that right in like so. Now, if you wanted to make a mocktail version of this, of course you would have just left the alcohol out, and now you could add some unsweetened soda water, right? So cheers, salad.
Happy holidays.
Cheers, everybody.
Yes.
Cheers, everybody. Happy holidays. This is the mocktail version, though.
Happy holidays.
Very good. You're gonna try it.
Cinnamon really brings in that holiday feel on this.
That's spicy.
And now once we have that in there, let's just grab 2 of our wedges, and we're not going to measure this out because it's not a classic sour. We're going to use half of that line, so ½ ounce is basically what that is. Just squeeze it right into your shaker. I do suggest to not drop in the spent shells because I swear they can get thirsty when you're not looking. Our shakers put together. You want to make sure you've got a nice snug fit, and you want to shake it hard for about 8 seconds. So keep your finger over the top of it. Shake it hard, shake it high, shake it loud, give it style. Well I'm going to throw it right into I've got this mug here, but you can throw it into any glass, any of your drinking mugs. Now we're going to add our ginger beer. So for our ginger beer, if we just pour it in lightly, it's going to sit on top. We don't want that. We want it to kind of mix in there. So what I like to call it is the hard pour. So side to measure it out to start with. I measure out on the big side, the ginger beer. And I just want to pour it in there really kind of a little bit higher and harder. So think about a diver hitting the pool, trying to touch the bottom of the pool. So it's going to mix up a little. Or if you want it sweeter, you can add some more of that holy syrup. Sometimes even the mule. Let me know what you think.
Cheers, everyone. I got my mule cup.
Nice. Cheers. Salud, kampai.
Smile.
Chin chin. Does anyone have another way to say cheers?
How do you say it in your language?
Charlie is simply doing his whiskey in the glass.